आई थिंक ऐसे अर्ली आवर में आती हूँ जिम, जब जिम में भी ज्यादा लोग नहीं होते।
हैंग आउट नहीं करना तापसी के साथ तो भाई जिम में एनीथिंग दैट यू फील जेन्युइनली
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जस्ट इफ आई लूज माय कोर सेट ऑफ पीपल, इवन माय फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑल, व्हेनेवर दे हैव टू चिल, आई एम लाइक घर आ जाओ
यार जिम आ जाओ। सेक्सिज्म को देखे तो गुस्सा तो आता होगा।
मेरे लिए कभी ये बराबरी का प्रोफेशन होगा ही नहीं। मैंने ये बात एक्सेप्ट कर लिया एंड एक्चुअली हाफ द स्ट्रेस गोज अवे व्हेन यू एक्सेप्ट दिस।
How have you dealt with that? So you know, don't even come from this industry.
I mean, in this industry, it kind of like sometimes helps you, sometimes doesn't. Helps you developing connections with new people.
वो लोग तो कहते हैं नेटवर्किंग का ही खेल है।
हाँ है। That's why हावर में तो यही चीज़ ठीक करने में लग जाती है मेरी कि मैं डिफिकल्ट नहीं हूँ यार। I'm that actor who doesn't even look at the monitor.
Do you think you will be a good mother?
I 100% am sure about that.
You know, can't get work home.
Can't get both home. Yeah, we need to have life beyond our work, and both of us were very sure about that.
But you were okay getting married. You never thought.
I didn't get married because there was no baggage of marriage, I felt.
We do get to see our favorite women, but generally badi dur se. Fully glammed up on the red carpet, all fancy on the big stage, larger than life on the big screen. या prim and proper in a formal interview setting. तो सोचा कुछ अलग करते हैं, थोड़ा उनके करीब जाते हैं और उन्हें पास बुलाते हैं. Hi guys, मैं हूँ स्तुति. Welcome to Her Vibe, a show where I take you on a very special journey to chill with our favorite women and to understand their vibe better. मेरी आज की guest is someone who in this industry full of filters is famously unfiltered. She's feisty, beautiful, talented, someone who has redefined what it means to be a Bollywood heroine and turned the whole outsider narrative on its head. Pasand hai twannu te mainu. Let's welcome Taapsee Pannu.
Yay! What a vibe.
यार गले लग जाओ यार. It has to be तापसी, जिसको मैंने बताया तापसी आपके साथ चिल करना है. तापसी से come to the gym. What is this?
Yeah, what to do? Is there any other place जहाँ मैं अपने घर से ज्यादा टाइम बिताती हूँ? That's actually here strangely. I also calculated that when you asked me कि अच्छा कहाँ? So I was like कि यार I think अगर मैं काम नहीं कर रही होती हूँ तो it's actually gym. Because अगर रोज दिन का मतलब 1.5-2 घंटा अगर मैं यहाँ बिताती हूँ, I think this will be the place I'm found most.
I have to tell you this about her. I don't think she just वेला टाइम तो तापसी के पास नहीं है. Constructively मतलब अगर हैंग आउट नहीं करना तापसी के साथ तो भाई जिम में. ओके, वन क्वेश्चन स्ट्रेट ऑफ. हम इतने एक्टर्स के यहाँ जिम लोग आपका तो पता ही नहीं चलता कैसे हो रही है.
हाँ, क्योंकि मैं आई थिंक ऐसे अर्ली आवर में आती हूँ जिम, जब जिम में भी ज्यादा लोग नहीं होते. सो यूजुअली व्हेन आई एम हियर, वहाँ पे सिर्फ वही लोग आते हैं जो मतलब जेन्युइनली सिर्फ या तो काम पे जाना होता है तो जल्दी से जिम करके जाना है, या who mean business in gym types. You know, it's not a social circle for them. So I guess that's why there's nobody.
This is a first for me. Okay, in gym clothes, बाल बांध के सुबह हम पहुंच गए क्योंकि हमें हैंग करना था.
That's not for me also कि मैं यहाँ बैठ के जिम में इंटरव्यू दे रही हूँ. मतलब usually I have like these horsehoods. I think people in my gym think that I'm very anti-social or very like snobby or something because me and my trainer are literally like this, walking around like this. मुझे एक्चुअली में नहीं पता चलता है मेरे जिम में कोई जान पहचान का बंदा भी आ जाता है ना, unless that person actually reaches out. Because मेरे दिमाग में ये चल रहा था 90 minutes and I have to make the most of it. So I'm literally like timing my recovery time also. So it's pretty stressful in the gym for me.
मतलब तापसी मतलब टाइम देखिए, टाइम की रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, समय आपकी रिस्पेक्ट करेगा. ओके, मेरे भारी भरकम सवाल तो आप तक आएंगे, बट सिंस वी आर हियर, टेल मी कौन सा which bar of the kettlebell do you prefer?
Actually, this particular weight I use only जब मुझे back extension करनी होती है. मतलब जब when you have to make your back strong, you know. That's the only time. So that's
very sexy
so
organ which you have.
thanks to this
Okay.
that I keep making my back strong. So मतलब मैंने I think I hold a pair of 25 pounds and I usually do my back extensions to make sure my back is strong. But other than this, all these machines that you're seeing here na, they have such strong deja vu connect with me because जब मैंने जिम ज्वाइन किया था, I was training for Rashmi Rocket.
अच्छा, उसमें तो
हाँ, उससे पहले I was a gym novice in the sense like I used to hardly go to gym because I hated the idea of just brainlessly lifting weights. I almost still do. But it's just that it helps me stay and feel nice from inside afterwards. So I still do it. But all this legs workout wala jo bhi dikh raha hai na, I used to be spending like hours here.
Yeah.
And I used to hate and love these machines. Hate, of course, because when you're on them, you're literally hating कि कब खत्म होगा. But the result it gave me, I was like, they were my saviors. So yeah, so I have like very nice, good and bad memories attached to these machines.
This is her zone. So by being with Tapsi, you have to be in the gym here. But मेरे सवाल तो और भी है.
हाँ,
एक फिलोसॉफिक भारी आप 25 कैटल बॉल में 50 किलो का सवाल है आप.
Okay.
You're in an industry where it really matters how you look.
Okay.
Is this why you are this person? और अगर तापसी इस इंडस्ट्री में नहीं होती फिर भी she would have self care, her physique, her hair, her skin, she would have taken care of.
I'm not sure, yeah, actually. That's a good question. I'm not sure. क्योंकि अगर मुझे कॉलेज वाली हालत देखोगे मेरी, I think they're still in shock to see what I've turned into. Because I used to enjoy dressing up. Don't get me wrong. I used to enjoy dressing up. But my idea of dress up was never like keeping up with the trend. और आजकल फैशन में क्या चल रहा है? अच्छा, ये आजकल ये नहीं कोई करता, तो ये नहीं पहनना चाहिए. मतलब मैं वो बंडाना पहन के लूज शर्ट्स एंड डेनिम्स में घूमने वाली लड़की होती थी. And I used to hate the fact that people will call me that you are not very girly. I was like, why? What's the idea of being girly?
Yeah.
So this is my idea of being girly. So yeah, so I was probably not the most trendy looking girl, dress up wise and all of that. But I still enjoyed doing that, though it was not in sync with what is in trend. But now I have to, now it has changed obviously.
This is an investment for the profession that you're in. That
If you're asking about the gym and everything, yeah, ye na, I've been hyperactive kid since childhood. I used to be that kind of a child who will just come home to eat and sleep. मैं या तो स्कूल होती थी या नीचे खेल रही होती थी. So now it has translated into gym partly. अभी भी जैसे हफ्ते के 6 दिन if I have to work out ना, I'm in gym 2 days. I'm doing aerial yoga, बिल्कुल the next studio here for 2 days, and for 2 days I'm playing squash. So this is how I divide my 6 days. If I do gym every day na, तो I'll go crazy. मतलब it become too monotonous for me, I feel. So yeah.
and then have a sports person in your life.
You know, yeah, that definitely makes you feel like you get up in the morning and this person is all ready to, go to
You
gym.
see, he's as committed as you are.
You know, he thinks that I'm more committed, but I feel he's more, not because we love each other, but that's also there. But it's because when I work out, when there are months that I work out and there are months I don't. जब वो don't होता है ना, तो I don't care. मैं 1-2 महीने कुछ नहीं करूँगी. But he will work out regardless. मतलब you've not slept well, he'll work out next. You see him in the gym still. And like I had a bad night. There is मतलब that rule मेरी life का, अगर मैं 8 घंटे ढंग से नहीं सोई हूँ, मैं नहीं जाऊंगी वर्क पे. I am not that
Yeah,
person.
because recovery is important.
I am not that person कि मैं वही जो भी हो रहा हो, you're pushing your boundaries like that. नहीं, मैंने कहा I know my self care. I am more important than workout. So I need to feel that days you get up, we're women, our hormones go up and down every now and then. So there are days you don't feel like it. Then you listen to your body.
You're kind to yourself.
I've learned it the hard way. I've learned it after damaging a lot. I've learned it after burning myself a lot. But now it's very very कहते हैं ना, मतलब my sanctity, it got me back to my sanctity only because I put myself before the expectations out of
Not bad. Listen, पूरा gym खा लिया तो हम थोड़ा move करें.
very early.
एक जगह हम टिक गए. Tell me, do you worry about
Fine line.
and
Fine what?
fine lines, crow's feet?
Fine lines, मतलब fine, yeah, my fine lines.
हमें बोलना तो ऐसे ही चाहिए because these are the most natural things, but generally, like I said in the intro as well, कि पूरा filter है, इतना pressure है, particularly on women.
Yes, it is.
I see even at events, by the way, you will see these heroes come quite casual. मतलब वो ध्यान देते हैं अपना, but poor women.
No, yeah, heroes also, I feel वो बेचारों पे pressure रहता है, कभी भी शर्ट उतारनी पड़ सकती है. So you have to always be ready with 6 packs. So that also I feel bad for them.
Yeah.
But yeah, with women, what is worse is ageism that happens with us.
How are you dealing with it? Have you thought of it? And what do you make of this?
See, I have realized there are certain things that work for you, there are certain things that don't work for you. I have always kind of been late at making it for a particular age wale roles, particular type of एक तो started
अच्छा,
after
आपने तो वो सुना भी होगा ना कि इतना शेल्फ लाइफ इतनी है,
नहीं,
30
वो तो
तक कर लो जो
अभी मैं अभी भी अभी भी क्या मतलब मैं आई केम इन हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री व्हेन आई वाज इन माय मिड 20s, ओके। अब 3-4 साल तो स्ट्रगल करते निकल गए। अब उस टाइम पे कि टू गेट अ डिसेंट रोल,
Yeah.
बाय द टाइम यू मेक अ मार्क, यू हैव क्रॉस 30, ठीक है। देन दे से यू आर नॉट यंग इनफ टू बी फीचर्ड
They
इन
बोलो
rom-coms, yeah.
You've been told?
Yeah, that you're not, they want a younger actress because, rom-coms and all, you need younger actress. So even till date, there are so many things that I feel like you didn't really need that younger person for this role, but they want to go younger. It doesn't really happen the same way with the men. Of course, we can see all that. But yeah, ageism is a big thing. So even in South, it used to happen with me. The moment I got cast opposite a relatively senior actor, the younger actors didn't want to work with me because they were like, oh no, she's been opposite that one. So now, you dare say about a Shah Rukh Khan like that? You've been, the life, an actress's life changes after working with Shah Rukh Khan. So that taboo is not here.
Yeah.
But that taboo was there with me when I worked in South. To each their own experience, मेरे साथ ऐसा था. And in Hindi film industry in particularly, yes, there are these genres of rom-coms or these comedy things that they feel only relatively younger actresses should be doing it. But then after a point, I thought, ठीक है, let me forget who are they casting for what part, is it suiting or no. Let me just focus on my own track and realize, okay, I'm a certain age and I would want to play my part that suit my age.
Yeah.
ठीक है, even 10 years
Look good for that age. मतलब, how is that a problem?
so that shouldn't be, so that is after an extreme amount of beating and burning out and feeling like यार मुझे क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है, मुझे क्यों नहीं दे रहे हैं। जब वो टाइम था मेरे को ये रोल मिले थे, उस टाइम पे my years went out struggling to even make my presence felt. क्योंकि प्लेटर पे तो कुछ नहीं मिलता है यहाँ पे। So by the time I finally arrived where I feel like okay, now I have a standing, they said अब now you're
But कोर्स बदलते रहेंगे basically.
too old. So I'm like ये तो कभी मतलब मेरे लिए बना ही नहीं, होगा ही नहीं मेरे साथ कभी। तो फिर I thought okay, leave it. When the time is right and whatever my role is should suit my age regardless of what I see other actresses doing at a certain age. Sooner or later I need to come make peace with it. Otherwise I've seen how it goes down in a very ugly way if you don't really accept that you are a certain age, so you can or you should rather do something that you enjoy doing at that age. It's okay if you are 30 and you enjoy it in 20 wala part. I have played at Dadi when I was 30 years.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, so that's okay if you want to do, those kind, whatever makes you feel nice. Not because they want you to feel like this. And, अच्छा, अगर आप एक्ट्रेसेस हैं, लीडिंग एक्ट्रेस तभी हो सकती हैं अगर आप एक सर्टेन एज ग्रुप पे हैं। ये वाला online, the discussions in media, I mean, I'm not on social media that actively last few years, but I still have YouTube and all these apps that I open and I constantly see these young actresses कि अब कौन next बड़ा होने वाला है। I'm like, doesn't mean like कि जो actresses 30-35 plus हो चुकी हैं, you feel they're done? You really think so? So like it's
This definition of young and old for men and women is so
different.
young to वहाँ होता ही नहीं है.
The 40-year-old men, they should be called young, yeah? Why not?
Yeah.
But they want actresses or they feel like
Almost
younger,
यार.
half the age. I mean, it's okay if you अगर reverse करते तो लगता oh what a like
फिर तो story की demand है, मतलब कुछ we have to give a backstory.
हाँ,
So वो stand for something.
and those 40-something-year-old actors feeling no, we want to go younger with actresses opposite us because it makes them eventually feel younger on screen. वो थोड़ा सा अजीब लगता है। मतलब but I've rather than fighting it, I have realized कि ठीक है ये ऐसा ही है और ये ऐसा ही रहेगा. I can't fight it. All I can do is control my career and my choices, and that's what I'm trying to do.
देखो सब कुछ ना इंटेंट की बात होती है। अगर हम जिम आते हैं एक्चुअली वर्कआउट करने, तो ज़बान बंद होती, पैर चल रहे होते, तभी आप करने ये भी स्टिल है, क्योंकि हमें ज़रा
हम संडे को आए हैं जिम, जब मेरा ऑफ डे होता है, मुझे वर्कआउट नहीं करना होता है, पर हम यहाँ आए हैं तो इसलिए हम अब प्रिटेंड वर्कआउट करेंगे।
लिसन मैं तो जिम वेयर पे ये इंटरव्यू कर रही हूँ, पर मैं मेकअप लगा के आई हूँ, तैयार हो के आई हूँ, हेयर बना
Like me, because and I looked at you and I was like, you look more dressed as if it's your interview more than mine. Because मैंने कहा,
नहीं हम हीरोइन के लिए तैयार हो के आए हैं।
yeah, heroine is very worried because tomorrow ये इंटरव्यू बाहर जाएगा and लोग बोलेंगे ये ऐसे जाती है जिम, ये ऐसे जाती है, ऐसे कौन जाता है जिम? तो मैंने कहा वैसे ही आते हैं जैसे मैं एक्चुअली में आती हूँ सुबह, जैसा मेरा हेयर मेकअप, मतलब जैसे तुम उठ के सुबह आते हो जिम, जैसे मैं आती हूँ वैसे मैं आ गई हूँ। ये मेरा सेल्फ डन हेयर एंड मेकअप है। यू विल सी मी लाइक दिस ओनली इन द जिम।
Amazing, but that's one of the reasons why I love Tapsi, because you get what you see, right? And she's amazing. But I just feel an affinity to women with curly hair. क्योंकि हम कहते हैं कि हम तुम्हारी क्या सुने, हमारे तो बाल भी नहीं सुनते किसी के। तो I connect to, they have their own personality, तो तेरे
माइंड ऑफ देयर ओन में हमेशा कहते हैं कि इतना ज़्यादा दिमाग हो गया था कि इट काइंड ऑफ लाइक एक्स्ट्रा दिमाग हमारे बालों में चला गया। बिकॉज़ दे हैव अ माइंड एंड अ ब्रेन ऑफ देयर ओन। दे विल वेक अप एवरी डे मॉर्निंग, यू वेक अप, यू फील लाइक यू लुकिंग लाइक दिस क्वीन, बट यू लुक एट योरसेल्फ इन द मिरर, यू आर लाइक नो, योर हेयर डोंट फील लाइक दैट। सो यू हैव टू ऑलवेज बी इन सिंक विद योर हेयर। आई ट्राई टू कन्विंस देम, प्लीज भाई आज के दिन अच्छे से गिरना, मतलब अच्छे से।
just tell, look, your curls are perfect, please. The
I have kind of learned the art of manipulating them.
yeah.
तो काफ़ी स्ट्रगल के बाद भाई, आई मीन आई लर्नड इट वेरी वेरी हार्ड वे, फ्रॉम लाइक लुकिंग लाइक सेंटर शॉक की एड से निकला हुआ एवरी डे टू फाइनली हैविंग कंट्रोल ओवर देम। इट्स बिन अ वेरी लॉन्ग एंड टीडियस जर्नी। लोगों को पता नहीं चलता। आई डोंट मेक गेट रेडी विद मी वीडियोस, सो यू डोंट नो द स्ट्रगल आई हैव गॉन थ्रू टू अंडरस्टैंड देम।
Listen, this is a metaphor because लोग कहते हैं ना दुनिया में आप सबको खुश नहीं कर सकते, बट अगर आप एक महिला है और एक सक्सेसफुल महिला है, तो बिल्कुल ही लोग खुश नहीं होंगे आपसे।
या
You are in an industry where you have to be liked. People have an opiniन about you. Like you said, कि मतलब something as normal as यार मेरा शूट है जिम में, पर लोग देख के बोल सकते हैं कि
हाँ
ऐसे कौन तैयार होके जाते हैं। Anything, people will say something or the
yeah.
other. If you're a woman, intelligent, with an opinion and successful,
You are a problem.
you're a problem.
You're a problem.
How have you dealt with it? So you know, don't even come from this industry. You started off. पहले तो घर वालों को कन्विंस करा होगा कि इंजीनियरिंग करके भी वो नहीं करना है। फिर यहाँ पे like you said, so many कि जब तक स्ट्रगल करके कहीं पहुंचे, लोगों ने बोला it's too old now. Now,
Yeah.
sorry, you know.
Yeah, आपका समय निकल चुका है। नहीं, yeah, this is something again that I have made peace with and realized कि अगर आप अपना दिमाग यूज करते रहोगे, if you know your yeses and you know so clearly, you are difficult. आप मुझे ये बोल बोल के रियलाइज करवा दिया
So,
गया है।
you know, people say this about you.
Yeah.
Do you feel bad because you're actually not?
नहीं,
You're much more straightforward and honest, I feel.
बट ये मैं किस किस को क्लियर करूं यार? वो जो प्लीजिंग की बात बोली ना, दैट वाज सो टायरिंग। सो एवरी डे I used to be, I feel I still am a very extroverted person. I used to love talking to people, even strangers. When I was nobody, I really enjoyed it. But after some time, I started realizing, when I continued being this person, when I became an actor, I realized this is being misconstrued as someone who is a people pleaser. Okay, she's trying to extra, so
Really phased था when they thought you're trying too
yeah,
hard to
because
lie.
and then you don't know आगे वाले बंदे का intention, वो आपसे किस intention से बात कर रहा है, वो आपसे क्या लेने वाला है। And I'm very very bad at judging people ना। मतलब to understand होता है ना, जिनका रेडार अच्छा होता है कि what this person is actually meaning, मेरा बहुत खराब है। मैं हमेशा I've chosen wrong people for wrong things, मतलब it's never fallen in the right place. So I started becoming this person who went in reverse shell, क्योंकि I realized कि ये मेरे लिए नहीं बना है इतना extra socializing. It's not really going the right way. So I have become this person. I mean, in this industry, it kind of like sometimes helps you, sometimes doesn't. Helps you because you can concentrate on your own growth then. Doesn't help you, okay, you do not social enough, you're not meeting new people, you're not developing connections with new people.
वो लोग तो कहते हैं नेटवर्किंग का ही खेल है।
हाँ है। That's why half the time मैं तो यही चीज़ ठीक करने में लग जाती है मेरी कि मैं डिफिकल्ट नहीं हूँ यार, आई एम दैट एक्टर हू डजंट इवन लुक एट द मॉनिटर because it's director's job. I'm not going to look at the monitor and decide if it's okay or no. You tell me as a director, if you say okay, I'm okay. I'm that kind of an actor. बट वही होता है ना, आप जिसके बारे में तुम नहीं जानते हो उसके बारे में तो ऐसी चीजें फैलाना और भी आसान हो जाता है. एवरी डे यू वेक अप, यू बीइंग टोल्ड अच्छा ये बंदा ना आपसे खुश नहीं है, यू नीड टू मेक श्योर दिस पर्सन इज हैप्पी, उसको खुश करो. फिर अगली बारी नो नो दीज people ना are not happy with you, so now you need to make sure these people are happy with you. So every day I used to be like अच्छा अब इनको खुश करना है, अब इनको खुश करना है, अब इनको खुश करना है. इस चक्कर में मेरी खुशी जाती जा रही है. सो ऐसा आई नीड टू एंजॉय माई लाइफ ऑल्सो ना, बिकॉज माई लाइफ इज गोइंग. आई नीड टू मेक श्योर आई एम एंजॉइंग माई लाइफ.
And it's an expectation that people have from women, ना हमें सबको सबकी egos.
And there's certain kind of precedents set by a lot of women around us in all of our professions who've always been very
हमारी पे भी ना हमारी mothers और
very obedient, very like, because they've kept everybody else before them. In our industry also, we've had actresses who've been very, very sweet, very kind. Maybe I'm not the sweetest. Maybe I'm not the kindest. I'm okay with that. But I'm very respectful, I feel. I might not have the most, वो कहते हैं ना, extra sugar-coated outlook. Just, I mean, if people put themselves in my shoes, understand, there's a girl who comes from a very mediocre background in Delhi, which is very unsafe for women who even have to go to basic college. मतलब वो travel in DTC buses, right? So वहाँ से लेके bus stop तक जाना, बस लेना, बस तक जाना, it's almost so scary that कुछ हो गया तो मेरा college जाना भी रुक जाएगा because I'll be so scarred, right? So for that reason, you become so hardened up from the outside, right? You always like looking over your shoulder. You always very conscious of कोई मुझसे कैसे बात कर रहा है. अरे नहीं, ये बंदा मुझे देख रहा है 2 सेकंड ज़्यादा, तो you get very conscious of that, right? So you don't want to give wrong signals to anybody.
Yeah.
वो सारे टाइम पे you're so conscious of the way you're behaving, and you don't want to come across as easy. कि तुम मतलब कि तुम्हारे को कोई भी उठा लेगा कभी भी, right? So you're following this life till you're doing your college or graduation. And then you go alone in an industry down south where you don't know the language, you don't know the culture, you don't know the people, you don't even know the art. So you're learning everything from scratch, where it's been very commonly said that film industry in general ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे लोग दूसरे का फायदा उठाते हैं बहुत आसानी से. You've been hearing only that in news for the longest time. So you're even more conscious now, right? कि कोई मुझसे कैसे बात कर रहा है, अरे कोई मेरे ज़्यादा पास तो नहीं आने की कोशिश कर रहा, मैंने ज़्यादा प्यार से बात कर लिया तो ये किस तरीके से लिया जाएगा. सो यू कॉन्स्टेंटली बीइंग वेरी गार्डेड बिकॉज यू नॉट इवन बीइंग टॉट. बचपन से तो किसी ने मुझे सिखाया था कैसे रहना है इस इंडस्ट्री में. सो आई एम लर्निंग माई सेल्फ एवरी डे. एंड देन बाय द टाइम you feel like you've arrived, you've made your mark, you have become this such a guarded and hardened up person from the outside. So when I speak to people, when you don't know me, when people who don't know me well, who just see me in these random videos on social media, they feel I'm rude.
कॉन्टेक्स्ट ही नहीं है, उनको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा.
I'm just very guarded because this is the life I have lived.
Yeah.
So unless you sit across the table and have a conversation with me, you will not know in what context, in what way I'm saying what. It's just that I come across that with the way I speak is because this is what I've learned throughout my life, how to deal with strangers or how to speak with people who I'm not friends with. That's why. But yeah, I'm a different person inside and I want to protect that. That's why I closed. I'm not very available on social media lately. I don't meet that many people very often because I realized that I was getting very hardened up from inside all these years, trying to not get affected by what people are saying, trying to be very strong and कुछ भी लोग बोलेंगे मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. तो फर्क नहीं पड़ने के चक्कर में ना you अंदर से start becoming hardened up, and that is very damaging. Yeah, not only as an actor but as a human being. You're losing your vulnerability, you're losing your humanness.
So many women who are watching this right now would feel.
Yeah, so I am like कि मुझे नहीं लड़ना यार तुम लोगों से सोशल मीडिया पे कि तुम मेरे बारे में क्या बोल रहे हो, what rape threats I'm getting, what ये must be. मैं तो खोल के भी नहीं देखती हूँ अब कि क्या मैसेज है, क्या कमेंट है. I want to lead, मेरी लाइफ जा रही है because the day I feel something is I read something bad, it affects me. A few days of my life get damaged, yeah, and they're never gonna come back. किसी ने तो अपनी मस्ती के अंदर सिर्फ अपना कूलनेस दिखाने के लिए या अपना कोई फ्रस्ट्रेशन दिखाने के लिए लिख दिया मेरे बारे में कुछ, या किसी ने अपनी कोई प्रोफाइल पे कोई क्लिक बेट के लिए कुछ बना दिया मेरे अगेंस्ट कुछ, पर मेरे तो लाइफ के दिन खराब हो गए ना, getting affected by that, which is not going to come back. So I started channelizing that energy towards myself. I need to protect myself. Come what may. अब उसका repercussion क्या होगा? Oh, you'll not be the most talked about actress. I'm okay with that. You'll not be the highest paid actress. I'm okay with that. You'll not be the number one. Where? What is number one? ये कौन सी रेस है जो मुझे नहीं पता कब स्टार्ट हुई, क्योंकि मेरा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट अलग था बाकी सबसे, मेरा एंडिंग
या लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड ही नहीं।
हाँ, मैं हर्डल रेस खेल रही हूँ, कोई 100 मीटर स्प्रिंट खेल रहा है, कोई मैराथन रन रनर है, तो हम सबकी रेस इक्वल नहीं हुई, तो तुमने कैसे डिसाइड किया कौन फर्स्ट, कौन सेकंड, कौन थर्ड? सो इसलिए आई हैड टू डिस्कनेक्ट माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम ऑल दिस नॉइज। आई सेड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू कीप एनीबडी एल्सेस बेंचमार्क कि अच्छा एक्ट्रेसेस ने ना ये किया था अपने करियर में ये टाइम पे, तो अगर मैंने वो नहीं किया तो आई एम नॉट अराइव्ड। आई सेड फॉरगेट इट। I need my peace and sanity more than anything else. So I'm going to concentrate on what makes me happy before anything else. So hence you see me like floating around unexpected तरीके से. Some days you'll see me at some event, some suddenly you'll never see me for a few months, you'll be totally vanished. But I'm still very much there. Just because I'm not getting clicked and seen at places doesn't mean I'm not here. I'm very much here. But I also have life beyond movies that I'm living, making sure, क्योंकि वो भी तो टाइम निकल गया ना लाइफ का। मतलब माय 20s आई दे जस्ट एवैपोरेटेड। आई फेल्ट लाइक कि पता नहीं कहाँ गए। सो आई मेरे टाइम ऑफ लाइफ निकल रहा है। आई नीड टू मेक श्योर आई लिव दैट आल्सो व्हाइल आई एम ट्राइंग टू अचीव सर्टेन गोल्स दैट आई हैव सेट फॉर माय सेल्फ। क्योंकि ये चला गया ना टाइम, तो मैं वापस नहीं ला पाऊंगी। फिर देन आई सिट आई एम टू ओल्ड फॉर डूइंग थिंग्स दैट आई थॉट आई शुड बी डूइंग इन माय 30s।
Tabzi, you made me emotional, and I think all women who are watching, because ये जो this thing now of making ourselves strong, क्योंकि जिंदगी we use a vulnerable side, and that it, sometimes you cry for that also, because just your trusting self, or and you have to know Tapsi personally to know how much she actually cares for people who she considers close, and she's a different person, but
Yeah,
I get कि we all have our guards up.
yeah.
Uh, how just girl to girl, how did you then find out? Because you know we have these walls around ourselves, and we hardly trust anybody to.
I know, but thankfully for me, it happened way too early. मतलब in my career, 13 I met Matthias, and I was still understanding कि इंडस्ट्री कैसे काम करती है, लोग क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन रखते हैं तुम्हारे से, तुम्हें किस तरह की फिल्में I was still trying to understand this industry. I was still not changing my fabric as much as I was just learning कि कैसे होती चीजें. So I met him at that time, and courtesy, he's not from the same industry, so he and in the same country, he really had होता ना से
Help कि our Indian.
या मुझे इंडियन मेन का तो पता नहीं. I mean, obviously, see, the guys I dated, Indian guys I dated before, which is my like teenage or early 20s and all, I can't compare it with the men you start dating after 25, when like your choices also change, right? So I can't compare it with that. I was very sure I don't want to be with someone in the industry because
ये अक्ल तभी
I was very sure. I was like कि मुझे I need to come back home to no work discussion, to people who like he should have a different set of people in his life who have got nothing to do with me. I will have certain people in my life who have nothing to do with his profession. He was also, I feel, sort of clear that he wouldn't want to be with someone in the badminton world.
So matlab, can't get work home.
Can't get
for
work
both of-
home. Yeah, we need to have life beyond our work, and both of us were very sure about that. So we actually don't talk work. Obviously, usko kya pata.
But what I find really fascinating and very happy for you is it feels like a marriage जो जिसके rules ही आपने बनाए. You were so private about it, which I so much respect for that. कि you did not, just
No.
put it out there for everyone. You're so guarded about your personal life. You're here, you're working. Nothing has changed. तापसी बदली ही नहीं है.
Actually, strangely, soon after we got married, people were congratulating me, and then almost I said, "Kis baat ke liye?" Said, "Oh, you got married." I said, yeah, I didn't get married because there was no baggage of marriage, I felt. So I really didn't feel
But
कि
इसका
this has
reference
changed.
तो अपने घर से नहीं मिला होगा ना. This is something you have
Yeah, because I was so scared of the idea of marriage, looking around at marriages. And
You were also scared.
it took me
But you were okay getting married. You never thought
It took me 9 years. He proposed to me 2014. When we started dating in 2013, he proposed to me in 2014. I said, yeah, but why now? So he was like, whenever you'll be okay with.
so you took your
It took me 9 years. It probably was one of the longest, long-lasting engagements in the history of relationships. 9 years of having said yes. I finally, after 9 years, I was like, okay, fine, let's get married. And not because anything would change after that, but because I thought, okay, it's been too long that I'd said yes and still didn't get married. And I feel like, okay, it's like, let's celebrate each other. It's been 10 years. I think it was 10 years since we started dating is when we got married. So I was like, let's celebrate those 10 years and let's get married.
amazing. This is the most still you've ever been, that I've seen in
I
this.
think so. Also, this relaxed. My
आप
heart rate is very good.
पर मैं देखिए environment से inspire होंगी तो I'm gonna ask, give you situations and ask you कि इनमें से किनको you want to punch.
आपको ऐसा लगता होगा मेरे को देख के कि मेरे में बहुत गुस्सा है और मैं बहुत ऐसे मेरा ऐसा नहीं है गुस्सा. When I get angry and really angry, I go quiet.
Quiet, yeah.
I go quiet. I go like I look through you and I go quiet.
हमारा Leo ना.
I'm like, oh, yeah. So my way of showing aggression is not chillao, chikho. That's not my jam. So मैंने कहा अगर आप बोलोगे ना गुस्सा दिखाओ तो सडनली मैं ऐसे एक सुम में खड़ी हो जाऊंगी. आपको लगेगा पता नहीं कौन सा इसको सांप सूंघ गया. सो दैट्स सम आइडिया. सो ऐसे मत बोलो मुझे गुस्सा. और ना एक और चीज बड़ी फनी होती थी. माय ट्रेनर्स ऑब्वियसली दे यूज्ड टू पंपिंग अप पीपल लाइक कम ऑन. मैंने कहा ऐसे चिल्लाओ भी मत सकते हो. ठीक है, आप मेरे पे चिल्लाओगे तो अगेन आई विल गो क्वाइट बिकॉज फिर मुझे आएगा गुस्सा. आप चिल्ला रहे हो मेरे पे चिल्लाओ मत. ठीक है. सो दे वो लाइक इसमें तो बिल्कुल अलग तरीके का टीचिंग पैसेज.
Also जब वो बोल रहे हैं कि one और one more बोले आप मुझे नहीं बताओ क्या करना है. मुझे पता है.
यू डोंट टेल मी ना था मुझे 15 लेने करने हैं. रेप्स 15 कर रही हूँ मैं काउंट कर रही हूँ. आप नहीं बताओगे मुझे कि एक और बचे.
I like this. But okay, so you know, carrying on from what you said about women who have to be so careful कि हम गलत सिग्नल तो नहीं दे रहे. Am I not leading somebody on? किसी से हंस के बात कर लो so उनको ये लगता है. You came here with no backing and in an industry that is but the knob for exploiting the not so powerful. तब भी कोई experiences ऐसे हैं when you actually learned it the hard way?
या आई रियली फील कि एक तो हम जस्ट बिकॉज कि हम कैमरा के आगे हैं, हम थोड़ा सा अनरीजनेबली थोड़ा सा ज्यादा बदनाम है. आई हैव फ्रेंड्स इन डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज. आई डोंट थिंक कि जो सो कॉल्ड गलत चीजें हैं वो दूसरी इंडस्ट्रीज में नहीं होती हैं. दिस इंडस्ट्री इज एज करप्ट, एज गुड, एज बैड एज एनी अदर. सो मुझे नहीं ऐसा लगता कि हम कुछ ज्यादा कंपेयर.
नहीं, that I agree because we're made up of
Yeah.
same peoples.
But so that's how
But have you changed? Like, okay, let me not laugh more. या ज़्यादा मैं jokes ना मारूं because this can be interpreted.
मेरे को तो एक्चुअली यहाँ के आई फेल लाइक कि मेरे को थोड़ा सा ज्यादा हंसना चाहिए. क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है कि मैं बहुत सीरियस हूँ और मैं बहुत गुस्से में रहती हूँ. तो मेरे को
और मैं मुंह फाटू क्योंकि मैं अपनी दिल की बात बोल.
तो मुझे थोड़ा सा डम भी ऐड करना चाहिए कि मुझे तो समझ ही नहीं आया क्योंकि मेरे को उससे लोग लगता है कि ज्यादा ओवर स्मार्ट है. तो मुझे थोड़ा सा आई नीड टू डम माई सेल्फ डाउन ऑल्सो लिटिल बिट. तो मेरे साथ थोड़ी वो उल्टी प्रॉब्लम्स थी ऐसी. बट नहीं, आई वाज एज आई सेड बिकॉज आई वाज सो ओवर गार्डेड. तो मेरे साथ ऐसे इंस्टेंसेस दैट मेड मी फील स्कार्ड और ट्रॉमेटाइज्ड in terms of safety, security, ऐसा नहीं हुआ. I was over guarded. I was coming from Delhi and living a life.
Which is a adventure sport just moving out.
दिल्ली की लड़कियों का ऐसा नहीं होता है. I'm sure काफी लड़कियां होंगी दिल्ली की जो हाँ आई होगी जिनका एक्सपीरियंस खराब हुआ होगा. But as I said, I was over guarded. So I kind of like was very अच्छे लोगों से भी और बुरे लोगों से भी मैंने बहुत ज्यादा डिस्टेंस बना के रखा हुआ था. सो आई थिंक आई गॉट लकी I was not, I didn't go through that kind of trauma here.
You spoke about I'm okay not being the highest paid actor. But I want to know because generally another topic where women always are either expected to hesitate or they themselves do is money, is your own value,
Hmm.
right? सब imposter syndrome, सबके साथ कुछ अच्छा हो जाए तो लगता है पता नहीं हम deserve करते हैं नहीं क्या हो गया. Are you good at negotiation? Are you practical? I know you're a very practical person,
Ah.
but can you quote your price and stick to it? And it doesn't come naturally to you. For a lot of women, they feel uncomfortable.
Nahi, yaar, it didn't come easy to me for the longest time. That's why we to have managers to handle most of our negotiations. There have been certain times I had to stick to my price. Some kind of deals जो मैंने negotiate करी अपने लिए, which you have to be very realistic कि how much you need a certain project or whatever, can be a brand, can be any kind of shoot. How much do you need that and how much does the shoot need you? You need to weigh those pros and cons and whatever you call it, both sides of the coin, and then decide realistically what should you charge for it. And do you really feel that, अच्छा चलो इसके लिए I need to do this because I know I can use it later on to gain money from other avenues. You need to be smart.
The reason I have asked this is कि कोई भी demand जो एक औरत रखती है, and we know, right? We know of male actors or just men in general in life when they want something, they will say it. Things will कोई उनको difficult, bossy, difficult to work with नहीं बुलाता है. But women आप बोल के देख लो कि ये चाहिए.
हाँ, नहीं काफ़ी चीज़ों में तो होता है ऐसा। लाइक सो मेनी टाइम्स अगर मैं सेट पे बोलूँ कि अच्छा नहीं आप मेरे ये जो सीन है, ये ऐसे की जगह अगर वैसे क्यों नहीं हो रहा? या मैं ये की जगह ये क्यों नहीं
पर आप
कर रही?
बोलते हो या पहले आप hesitate करते हो?
No, no, I now say I've done quite a lot of work to know कि ये ना eventually backfire करेगा तो मेरे पे ही करेगा. तो I always put forth my feeling कि ना ये ऐसे मत बुलवाओ, ये ऐसा साउंड कर सकता है, ये ऐसे करते हैं. So I do say that, which on my face, since the time I started saying or voicing my opinion, I held certain value. तो ये लोग on my face they don't push back. मतलब it's not that time of my career where in the beginning like how I was told मेरे मुंह पे स्क्रिप्ट मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन सीन चेंज कर दिया और मेरे को सेट पे आके बता रहे हैं कि अब ये ऐसे होगा. एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हेन यू नरेटेड मी द स्क्रिप्ट ऐसा नहीं था तो अभी क्यों चेंज हो गया? मुझे बता तो देते. फॉरगेट अबाउट आस्किंग, बता देते. अच्छा वी डिडंट नो वी हैड टू टेल यू. Gone are those days. Yeah, this happened to me. And it is very clear in my memory because that was the first disrespectful वाला shock होता है ना जो मेरे को लगा. Rejections and all are not disrespectful.
But एक basic
This
professional
ये
risk.
हाँ, sort of rejecting me for a role, not giving me a certain film, ये वो निकाल दिया and all is a separate thing. Those are rejections, a part and parcel of our lives. But this telling you, अच्छा मुझे नहीं पता था कि तुम्हारा introduction scene change करने के बाद तुम्हें बताना भी चाहिए वो जरूरी है. सो दैट वाज वन ऑफ द बिगनिंग के अंदर मतलब मेरे करियर के बिगनिंग में वो सब अब नहीं होता है ऑब्वियसली. तो वो मुझे अब ऐसा होता है कि ऑन माय फेस दे विल एग्री एंड दे विल अंडरस्टैंड एंड दे विल बी इन सिंक विद मी, बट देन दे विल गो बिहाइंड माय बैक एंड टॉक अबाउट हाउ डिफिकल्ट आई एम. इफ आई एम ओपन टू हैविंग अ डिस्कशन, आई ऑलवेज से कि ये मुझे लग रहा है. इफ यू फील अदरवाइज प्लीज टेल मी. You don't have logic to engage in a discussion and then you go behind my back and if you tell others that she's difficult to work with just because she asks questions or she says ऐसे क्यों वैसे क्यों नहीं. I'm okay even if you say कि नहीं कैमरे पे अच्छा लग रहा है तो आप ऐसे कर लो ना. I'm happy to do it.
Yeah.
But tell me
But tell me, yeah.
कि
And treat me an equal collaborator.
हाँ, but क्योंकि मैं मॉनिटर नहीं चेक करते.
तो ये
So that's
especially
so much.
sexism को देखे तो गुस्सा तो आता होगा. That you want to pass.
इन द नहीं वो भी ना वो बिगिनिंग में ना आता था. अब मुझे रियलाइज हो गया कि ये मेरे लाइफ टाइम में तो नहीं होगा ही.
नहीं होगा.
मैंने ये बात एक्सेप्ट कर ली है. एंड एक्चुअली हाफ द स्ट्रेस गोज अवे व्हेन यू एक्सेप्ट दिस. नाउ
But
आफ्टर
that's a very self-aware statement. You were saying नहीं होगा ये
नहीं होगा, नहीं
ये ageism नहीं जाएगा.
मेरे लाइफ स्पैन में नहीं जाएगा,
मतलब हमारे लाइफ स्पैन में नहीं जाएगा.
नहीं जाएगा. मैं आगे वाली जनरेशन के लिए जा सकता है प्रोवाइडेड सम ऑफ अस कंटिन्यू टू वर्क अगेंस्ट इट. इफ वी गिव अप तो आगे वाले के लिए भी नहीं जाएगा. सो ये तो मेरे को रियलिटी चेक है. मुझे अभी कल परसों I think talking to my husband only about it. I think I was like कि यार look at these wonderful big films mounted on beautiful stories of men. Durandar, Ramayana that's coming up.
Yeah.
How like it looks so beautiful and grand, right? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि फीमेल स्पाइज नहीं थे।
Correct.
उनकी लाइफ इतनी ग्लैमराइज्ड ऑन स्क्रीन इन टर्म इन ग्लैमराइज इन द सेंस जो उनका गोल्ड है उसमें। और ऐसा तो नहीं है वी डोंट हैव फीमेल गॉड वी डोंट हैव गॉडलेसेस राइट वी हैव। कभी माउंट हो गई इतनी बड़ी फिल्म एक ही औरत पे या उसकी स्टोरी पे। एंड आई वाज लाइक के मतलब ये लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड ही नहीं है मेरे लिए। ये and I'm not, it's not a competition, na? It's not against them, against me, men. It's not like that. It's an actor who feels like मुझे लाइफ में कभी मौका भी नहीं मिलेगा इस तरह की फिल्म हेडलाइन करने का एज अ वुमन एंड आई एम नॉट जस्ट मी यू टेक द you whoever you think is the biggest female star in the industry, will you be able to mount that kind of a film on her? I don't think so. So मेरे लिए कभी ये बराबरी का प्रोफेशन होगा ही नहीं। I'll only keep looking at these films like a fan, like an audience and feel like यार हाँ very nice, very nice. But मैं एस्पिरेशन नहीं रख पाऊंगी कभी रियलिस्टिकली कि ये ऐसा ना एक दिन मतलब there'll be an actress also headlining such a film, which will be so ambitious. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'll be able to see that in my lifetime, at least in our film industry.
Amazing. Who are the men you really like to collaborate? Who you will call fan?
You know, I've hardly collaborated with a lot of actors, I feel, and also a lot of makers. Like, I genuinely feel there are a lot of good makers and actors both who haven't worked with us yet, and I would want to. मतलब मैं तो करियर के स्टार्टिंग से मणिरत्नम का जप रही हूँ तब से लेके अभी तक।
Understandable.
Yeah. Like I have been very, very shameless in messaging people like Farhan or even Aditya that, whenever I've seen their films, I have messaged them. There have been times I've felt like, I would really want to be a part of your film. I've constantly been telling them, and I have no shame in doing that because who will do it for me अगर मैं नहीं करूँगी तो. But I can't just expect someone to keep pitching for me. That someone is me.
Yeah.
I will pitch for myself. And I already know there are so many other actresses और उनका शायद access ज़्यादा easy है मेरे से ज़्यादा. मैं नहीं हूँ इतनी ज़्यादा लोगों से. I don't bump into people that easily. So why not? Let me just आगे से text or meet them. I do that.
Anybody who can do aerial yoga, I feel is fearless. But okay, tell me anything that you fear, genuinely fear. Same chala jana.
नहीं same दोनों तो
You don't fear.
I didn't want to be an actor ना तो मेरे लिए वो फेम वाला एंगल ही कभी वो नहीं था एस्पिरेशनल. इनफैक्ट आई फील लाइक कि जब मैं काम पे नहीं हूँ ना प्लीज ट्रीट मी लाइक आई एम अ नोबडी. जब मैं काम पे हूँ आई वांट टू बी ट्रीटेड विद रिस्पेक्ट एंड विद द लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट दैट माई वर्क डिमांड्स. मैं कभी नहीं कहती कि मेरे पे चैरिटी करके आ जाओ मेरी पिक्चर देखने. मैंने मेहनत करी, आपको लग रहा है, आपको दिख रहा है कि थोड़ी सी ही मेहनत हुई है तो मुझे मौका दो. मैं कभी नहीं कहूंगी कि जस्ट बिकॉज मतलब मेरे पे दया खा के आ जाओ या मतलब जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम अ फीमेल एंड आई एम डूइंग आउट ऑफ रेगुलर लीग स्टफ आ जाओ. यू सी द ट्रेलर, यू फील लाइक इट्स वर्थ गिविंग अ शॉट, देन डू इट. सो डर मुझे लगता है
To growing old?
no, not at all.
Being uncles?
No. Yeah,
Dying? Nothing, you're not.
actually not even dying. No. मुझे डर लगता है कि just if I lose my core set of people because they are my anchors, yeah, balancing my balance in life. I can't, that's what has helped me stay sane in this crazy life we have. So I'm just very scared of losing them. That's why मैं जब दिल्ली से निकली थी अपनी बहन को अपने साथ में हैदराबाद लेके गई, फिर वहां से मैं उसको बॉम्बे लेके आई. एंड यहाँ पे भी I got my parents also here. Now they spend a lot more time here than they do. So I have this habit of just pulling my people, making them stay close to me. Now my husband, in spite of not being from this country, thankfully he's retired. So he spends more time with me basis wherever I am working. So I have this habit of like clinging on to my people. That's why मैं hardly घर से बाहर निकलती हूँ. Even my friends and all, whenever they have to chill, I'm like घर आ जाओ. So yeah, so I just yeah dim आ जाओ. Yeah, I have this fear of just losing my core set of skill. That's the only fear actually. बाकी सब earning money, I never thought it was fluke. If I've done it once, I can do it again. Uh, and I don't have that kind of a lifestyle where I feel like कि मतलब ओ shit ये कैसे maintain होगा. I think I'm pretty much in control with that.
भाई हम तो थक गए इतनी बार
Workout. Oh my god. It was mouth workout.
but it's always such a pleasure to speak to you and it's just so refreshing कि एक बंदा who you expect actors to always project and here's somebody who's like this is what you get, this is what you see.
Yeah, it's too much of hard work, yeah. I really respect people who put in all that work to decide कि I will now only speak about these things. मैं ऐसे ही बात करूंगा या करूंगी और मुझे ये चीज अपने बारे में सेल कर
Yeah,
इट्स लॉट
और ये 3 महीने के लिए ये मेरी personality.
it is a lot of hard work. Imagine 24/7 you are at service of this image that you have to maintain. It is a lot of hard work. So मैं तो लोगों को इसलिए बोलती हूँ how are you doing this? Because I'm very lazy. Because I feel like मैं तभी काम करूंगी when I'm getting paid for it, which is when you say action and cut when I'm performing as an actor. Not beyond that. It's too much of hard work, I feel.
Yeah, we spoke about so many things and consensus it's hard being a woman. The what makes it difficult.
It is slightly hard. Yeah, it's not a level playing field for us, and yeah, and we cannot expect it to change very quickly. Yeah, it because it's been centuries or decades or whatever you can call it, or
Millennia of
or one-sided situation in our
एक बड़ी
lives.
अच्छी quote थी which said they should be grateful. We only want equality and not revenge. I mean, everything that we have gone through, यही काफी है. But what are some qualities that you think is an advantage that we are women? That only our gender can do. You have a sister.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah. I think maybe मतलब, because I've not gotten to be a man, I am a woman, so maybe my opinion.
that's the only we know what.
Yeah, I can be slightly biased maybe, but हमारी थोड़ी सी empathy, sympathy question
क्यों हमारा बेहतर है?
वो थोड़ा सा ज्यादा होता है. मतलब हमारा जो कट थ्रोट वाला बैंडविड्थ है वो थोड़ा सा कम होता है कि एक टाइम के बाद द ह्यूमन इन अस किक्स इन स्लाइटली अर्लियर देन men. You can see in the current world what is happening. Yeah, so I think that
Women rule the world, वरना तो
हाँ, मतलब अभी देख ही रहे हैं हम क्या हो रहा है. बट मैं आई एम नॉट श्योर कि अभी तक एक्चुअली देखा नहीं है कि पूरा वर्ल्ड अगर कोई विमेन, इफ द सेट ऑफ विमेन आर रूलिंग द वर्ल्ड, आई डोंट नो कि क्या होगा. बिकॉज अभी तक ऐसा प्रेसिडेंस मैंने देखा नहीं है, तो फिलहाल तो बंदों के साथ ही देख रहे हैं कि क्या हो रहा था और क्या हो रहा है. Other than this, yeah, we have a very, मतलब it's a cliche thing to say, but we have a very beautiful gift of giving life, right? So that also is something that,
yeah.
I
I imagine we bring life and yet
yeah. I think there is a quote that I have in my house, like in the room that I get ready to go to work. Punjabi Guru Granth Sahib se quote hai, "So kyun manda आँखिए जित जमे राजान." Means why do you, how can you demean or disgrace a human being that brings life? So that's something that I look at every day when I have to when I'm getting ready to go to work. So that's what I feel, that we are blessed and special. When God wanted to give responsibility of who will be responsible for making new life or shaping new life, it will be women. So I think I'm extremely proud of that.
never you'll be a good mother.
I 100% am sure about that. I'm 100% sure about that. Let me be optimistic. And also I feel I think हम लोगों के I think it all got to do with empathy and sympathy also. We have a very good balance. Uh, but you know, bad thing is हम बहुत
But imagine all good things are nicely dismissed. Too emotional. Jabki you need to be emotional.
yeah,
And is anger not an emotion? Is violence not an emotion? Like more, suddenly love or
Yeah.
feeling
Convenience.
somebody's
It's also
case.
convenience ना किसके लेंस से देख रहे हो. Love हैंडल करना और देखना अच्छा लगता है. इसका एंगर देखना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. So you're also looking from a wrong lens, judging that emotion of women. So I think these are the good sides. Um,
And our intuition, I think,
या मैं उस बारे में नहीं ज़्यादा कहना चाहती क्योंकि मेरा तो इंट्यूशन बहुत ही खराब है, मैं बता रही हूँ.
But as
I'm not blessed with that quality. Let me accept that.
this is a perfect way to wrap this up with Tapsi being her true self. Saying something, intuition देखिए मेरी अभी ढील में है. But can I tell you, you are absolutely wonderful. My favorite person in this industry. I'm a Tapsi loyalist. I always say this, and I love you on screen, but I actually like you more off it.
Oh, thank you.
Because they're so real, and I also think you would be an amazing mother.
Oh, thank you.
चलिए, अपनी मम्मी की कोई बात जो आप अभी भी याद रखती हैं?
यार उनकी एक बात है जो मुझे ओवरऑल शायद फ्रॉम अ वाइडर पर्सपेक्टिव मैं नहीं इतनी फॉलो करूं लाइफ में, बट देयर सम थिंग्स समटाइम्स दैट आई फील इट रियली स्टैंड्स द टेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. वो मुझे बोलती थी बचपन एक चुप सौ सुख. ठीक है, अब मैं सुनती रहती थी एक चुप सौ सुख. जब भी मैं बहस करती हूँ तो वो मुझे कहती थी एक चुप सौ सुख. तो मुझे नहीं पसंद था ये. मैं क्यों चुप रहूं, मैं क्यों नहीं बोलूंगी. एंड नाउ एज आई एम ग्रोन ओल्डर आई हैव रियलाइज्ड कि हाउ चूजिंग योर बैटल्स मैटर.
Yeah, that is not chup, but choosing your.
choosing your battles. तो इट्स लाइक कन्वीनियंट. मुझे जब कुछ चीजों में सुख, मेरा जो सुख है, मेरा जो पीस है, वो मुझे प्रोटेक्ट करना है, तो मैं चुप रहूंगी इस बात में.
Yeah.
So not because I cannot say, it's because I choose myself and my peace over everything else. So I think वो उनकी बात मुझे कभी अच्छे तरीके से कभी बुरे तरीके से बट याद रहती है.
I think this is perfect. Thank you. आप यहाँ चुप नहीं रही. हमें आपके साथ लाइव करके बड़ा अच्छा लगा.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tapsi.